I saw Rick Ross was out here speaking on the new song he just dropped with Meek Mill 24 hours ago. According to Rick Ross, they got the streets going crazy with this song and was proud of the numbers it has done so far. He was also out here showing off his private jet and that of Donald Trump. Let's check it out.
1 million views in 20 hours. 1 million views in 20 hours. The streets going crazy. Make sure you post a video and a new record on your platform, Shaq and Kobe, from Rick Ross and Meek Mill. Let's go. 1 million views in 20 hours. Huh. The boss is in the building. The boss is in the building. We just landed in LAX, nigga. We talking about money and power. We talking about money and power. You already know we here. We know we here. We know we here. Being a youngster and one of my sons, his favorite thing is a fire truck, baby. We got the PJ and the engine. This a classic image right here. You feel me? The firefighters pulled up. They taking pictures at the Rose Jet. As you can see, that's Trump jet, and you can see that's Rose jet. You see. God is great. I need you to believe in yourself, baby. I need you to believe in yourself. Ricky Roselle on the network with you. Let's do business. Brand ambassador, what you want to do? How you want to do it? What you want to do? Hustling 24 hours. Money and power. That's what you about. Fuck with it. Wanted you guys to see my breakfast this morning. Little Chick-fil-A, you know what I mean? Little hash, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Empire.
If you have stayed with me to this point of the video, consider subscribing. Hit the like button and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.